This is the Bauer Flexible Studio Ring Light with stand and mic holder. And that's the box that came with it. I'm showing you what the picture is. It's supposed to have the LED light, the flexible arms. It has 3 light colors and 10 levels of brightness. And these are the content of the box. See, you make sure that you have everything as you open it, so when you assemble it, you already know that all you need is in the box, because it could be a pain returning them, and then you're gonna have to wait a couple more days to get the replacement. So the box that I have, that I've received, it's all complete. So I'm showing you the assembly. So it says to use the included tool, which is the Allen wrench, and the nuts. So you might be looking for the nuts. It's actually attached to the rod. So it's there. So you are going to attach it to the base. So that's the base plate. It's, see, and then I was actually looking for the nuts. It's there. So all you need to do is unlock that before attaching it to the base. So this is when I was looking for the nuts. I didn't realize it was attached. So now that's your Allen wrench that's included. So you just do loosen it and take it off, and then just follow the picture. You don't There's an instruction that came with it. There's a manual, but if you look at the picture, it's actually easy to just follow how it is on the picture. So basically just align the rods with that hole, and then you know tighten it using the Allen keys. Well, you can do it with your hand, your fingers first, just so to align it. It took me a little bit because it was not lined up, but basically just have it attached, and there's your Allen key. The base is pretty heavy and sturdy, so it doesn't feel like this particular material that they use, it doesn't feel like it's plasticky. It's actually not, it's actually heavy and sturdy, and it's metal. So just so you know, um, I feel like it could last a while. I mean, I haven't used it yet, but I will do a review, like probably after like 2 3 months of use. But the feel is, it feels sturdy. It's not plastic feel, so I like it already. So that's the middle rod, and then now the same for the microphone rod, or I think this is the camera rod. It's either way, but it's the same process. Loosen with the Allen key, loosen the touch nuts with the Allen key. Very easy. And then same process, just align it on the hole and then tighten again. If you align it, it's fast to fasten it. So that's it. And then the last one would be the camera holder. You know that it's the camera holder with that like round ring metal there that holds the camera, like the camera holder. So again, loosen and then tighten on the base. You just have to be patient because sometimes it takes a little bit to just align that, the initial aligning. And just a quick tight, and it's all good now. It stands up. It's really sturdy. It didn't, I wasn't afraid that it was gonna break right away. It held it up right away. You don't have to adjust it. That's the LED, and all you need to do now is to attach the camera holder. So, oh, that's the microphone. So the microphone and the camera holder. So the camera holder goes to the one with the ring. I did the microphone holder first. It's very easy. It's just align it to the rod, and that's it. That's done. It's attached. And then for your camera holder, just loosen that part, or you're not supposed to take it out. I was wrong. So you just loosen it and then push it in a bit until it clicks, and then you're good to go there. And then now the last step is, so it didn't come in with like a plug. So it's a USB powered. So all you need to do now is find a plug where you can attach the USB, which I had one. So you just have to do that. And as soon as you're plugged in, you will see, so that's the box. So you will see that the switch is now lighted up. So all you need to do is push it. Took me a little bit. You actually just click that to power on the LED. There you go. So with the LED, it has three color modes, and it's supposed to have 10 brightness levels, which I did try. And for each color mode, so three color modes, 10 brightness levels for each color mode. So basically, you have that mic holder, you have the 3.5 ring diameter, and the 24 inches flexible ring light arm. So that's 24 inches right there. You have the phone clip, you have the inline remote. That's the one I was controlling the light with. That's the inline remote. It controls color mode and brightness, and then USB powered. You just need to find a plug, and then the metal is very durable. And you have the mic holder, and that's it. That's how it works good. Basically, I got a good, sometimes you'll get this stock where it doesn't work. So this one works. So that's how I added the phone there. I have to get like a mic that attaches to the USB. So I haven't put in a mic, but the microphone holder is supposed to hold any. It fits most microphones. So you can use like a real microphone from that you can attach to a sound bar, but that's it. All good.